your engine is bleeding money right now. Every single time you pull up to a pump, you are handing over cash that a few dead simple habits could put straight back in your pocket. And most drivers never figure this out until they've already wasted thousands. This video exposes 15 fuel-saving secrets that actually work. Not the recycled garbage you've heard before, but the kind of insider knowledge your mechanic friend would pull you aside to share before you flushed another dollar down the drain. We're counting down from 15 all the way to the #1 technique, and that final secret is the one that separates the drivers who consistently beat their EPA fuel rating from everyone else bleeding out at the pump. Leave before you get there, and you will regret it every single time you fill up. Starting at number 15, stop overfilling your tank. That extra squeeze after the pump clicks off feels harmless, but it is a trap that costs you real money every single time. Gas stations run vapor recovery systems designed specifically to pull those excess drops back into their underground tanks, which means you are literally paying them to reclaim fuel you already bought. Every overfill is a small financial betrayal that adds up to a nightmare you never see on your bank statement. Stop at the click. Every single time, no exceptions. At number 14, use the fuel cap holder on your door. Sounds embarrassingly simple, but this 1-2-second habit can save you from a $40 replacement cap and a check engine light that costs $100 just to diagnose. When your cap dangles or sits unsealed, fuel vapors escape, instead of staying captured by your evaporative emission system. And your engine constantly compensates for that vapor loss with extra fuel burn. Your fuel economy is quietly draining into thin air every time you ignore that little hook. And ignoring it long enough turns into a repair shop trap you never saw coming. Number 13 is your air filter, and neglecting it is one of the most costly mistakes hiding under your hood right now. Your engine is a giant air pump, and a clogged filter forces it to burn more fuel to compensate for the oxygen it is not getting, dropping your MPG by up to 10%. Most drivers stretch to 50,000 miles between changes when the manufacturer recommends 15,000 to 20,000. Especially if you drive on dusty roads. A $15 filter from any auto parts store takes 5 minutes to swap and can recover hundreds of dollars in fuel economy every single year. There is no cheaper fix with a bigger payoff than this one. Number 12 is using a quality fuel system cleaner on a schedule. Not the miracle bottle at the checkout counter, but a legitimate detergent-based product like Techron, used every 3,000 miles. Carbon deposits build up on your injectors over time, destroying the fine mist spray pattern your engine needs. And independent studies show that serious buildup can cut your fuel economy by 4 to 5%. A $15 bottle prevents the kind of injector degradation that mechanics charge hundreds to fix professionally. Skipping it is a slow financial disaster. You manufacture one tank at a time. Number 11. Park in the shade. And do not let anyone tell you this is too simple to matter. When your car bakes in direct sunlight, interior temperatures hit 130 to 160 degrees, and your AC system has to work overtime from the moment you start the engine, hammering your fuel economy immediately. Fuel evaporates faster from a hot tank. Thermal stress builds up across your fuel system components, and you are paying for all of it every single mile until the cabin finally cools down. A windshield sunshade or a shaded parking spot is completely free fuel savings hiding in plain sight, and ignoring it is a money pit you voluntarily climb into every hot afternoon. Number 10. Hit the AC recirculation button the second you get in a hot car. Without it, your compressor is pulling in scorching outside air and cooling it from scratch, which is an enormous ongoing fuel penalty. With recirculation on, it is cycling already cooled interior air, which is dramatically easier to maintain and puts far less load on your engine. During the first 10 to 15 minutes of driving when the cabin is at its worst, this one button can meaningfully reduce the fuel cost of running AC. It is the simplest fuel-saving trick you are probably not using every single day. Number 9. Replace your spark plugs on schedule Because worn plugs are one of the quietest fuel economy killers on the road. A single misfiring plug can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 30% on that cylinder, and your car can feel completely normal while this nightmare is silently unfolding under your hood. Most manufacturers recommend conventional plug replacement at 30,000 miles, and iridium or platinum plugs at up to 100,000 miles. A full set costs anywhere from $20 to $80 depending on your vehicle, and the fuel savings from properly firing plugs will pay for themselves many times over before the next interval. Worn plugs are a ticking time bomb your wallet cannot afford to ignore. Number 8. Stop buying premium fuel if your car does not require it. If your owner's manual says 87 octane, that is precisely what your engine was engineered to run on, and pouring in premium accomplishes absolutely nothing except draining your bank account. Higher octane resists pre-ignition in high-compression engines built for it, and your regular grade engine cannot take advantage of that property no matter what you believe. Drivers who habitually pump premium into regular grade vehicles waste $200 to $400 a year for zero measurable benefit. That money would do far more for your fuel economy. Invested in an oil change, a fresh air filter, or a fuel system cleaning. Number 7. Switch to full synthetic oil at your next change. Friction is the enemy of efficiency, and synthetic oil reduces the internal mechanical drag inside your engine throughout the entire operating range in a way conventional oil simply cannot match. The real-world fuel economy improvement is typically 1 to 3%. And over tens of thousands of miles, that translates to genuine gallons of saved fuel. Synthetic oil also holds up far longer between changes, often 7,500 to 10,000 miles or more, meaning the per-mile cost frequently matches or beats conventional when you factor in fewer oil changes. You get better fuel economy, better engine protection, and fewer trips to the shop, and that is a clean sweep every time. Number 6. Get the unnecessary weight out of your car right now. Every extra 100 pounds you carry reduces fuel economy by approximately 1%, and a shocking number of drivers are hauling 200 to 400 pounds of gear they forgot was back there. That is a 2 to 4% fuel economy hit you are voluntarily paying for at every single fill-up. An empty roof rack alone can slash highway fuel economy by 6 to 8% through aerodynamic drag, even when you are carrying nothing on it. If it is not essential to your drive, it is a financial gamble you are losing every mile. Number 5. Use your adaptive cruise control on the highway because it is doing something you are almost certainly not doing manually. Standard cruise control hammers the throttle every time speed drops, which makes it a fuel economy disaster on hilly terrain, but adaptive cruise anticipates traffic and coasts when slowing instead of braking hard and re-accelerating from scratch. Some newer systems even pull in navigation data to adjust throttle before you have seen the speed limit sign. Drivers who use adaptive cruise consistently on highway trips see fuel economy improvements of 5 to 10% compared to manual driving in varied traffic. If your vehicle has it and you are not using it, you are burning money you do not have to burn. Number 4. Check your tire pressure monthly. Because underinflated tires are one of the most widespread and most ignored fuel economy traps on the road. For every 1 psi drop across all 4 tires, you lose approximately 0.2% in fuel economy, and the average driver's tires are running 6 to 8 psi low without knowing it. That is a 1.6% fuel economy penalty you are paying at every fill-up, and the correct pressure is printed on the sticker inside your driver's door jamb, not on the tire sidewall. Underinflated tires also wear unevenly, destroying a $150 per tire investment faster than anything else you could do. Ignorance is expensive, and this one costs you a $5 gauge and 2 minutes. Number 3. Stop resting your left foot on the brake pedal. Even slight pressure engages the pads just enough to create drag against the rotors, while your engine is burning fuel to push the car forward, meaning you are fighting yourself every single mile. That heat accelerates pad and rotor wear, turning a $150 brake job into a $400 nightmare through a habit you probably do not even realize you have. Some drivers do this for years without ever connecting it to their suspiciously frequent trips to the brake shop. Left foot goes on the dead pedal. Right foot controls everything else, and that single change costs you nothing. Number 2. Replace your PCV valve, and do not let its size fool you into thinking it does not matter. This $5 to $15 part vents crankcase pressure and routes unburned gases back into your intake for combustion. And when it clogs or fails, pressure builds up, oil consumption rises, seals fail, and your fuel efficiency takes a measurable hit from contaminated intake valves and throttle body. The symptoms develop so gradually that most drivers never suspect the PCV valve until a mechanic finds it during an unrelated inspection and hands you an estimate that makes your stomach drop. Replace it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles with a $10 part and a pair of pliers, and your engine breathes cleaner and runs more efficiently for years. Neglecting a $10 part until it costs you $1,000 is the oldest trap in the book. Number 1 is the single most powerful fuel-saving technique available to any driver of any vehicle, and it is completely free. Anticipate traffic and coast. Every time you coast to a stop instead of braking hard, your modern fuel-injected engine activates deceleration fuel cutoff, meaning it stops injecting fuel entirely while your wheels are still moving the engine. You are traveling down the road for free, and two drivers in identical cars on the same route can see a 15 to 20% difference in fuel economy based on this habit alone. The best hypermilers in the world routinely beat their EPA rating by 20 to 30% simply by mastering smooth anticipatory driving. No gadgets, no premium fuel, no additives. Coasting is not lazy driving. It is the most efficient use of momentum physics you will ever find. You now have 15 weapons against the pump that most drivers will never use because nobody bothered to tell them the truth. This channel exists to make sure you are not one of those drivers. If you are still losing money on your car beyond fuel costs, click the next video right now on 15 secrets that can save you from repair shop traps. Your wallet just got a whole lot smarter.